umuntu wakho black.
Yes.
Okay.
Is the person a singer?
Yeah.
So, okay. Is the person an actor?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ucula amapiano.
Lo muntu lo. I would say what that's because wakacula.
Yeah.
So lo wenu uyacula piano?
No.
Okay. Acula. Okay.
Is it a male or a female?
Male. Okay, lo wenu ne asinte black ne.
Okay.
Yes, that's speed.
Yeah.
He knows all South African languages.
Okay.
Okay. Is the person a promoter?
No.
Okay.
And this guy chance level.
Ngixolo guys, anginoyika nina. Anoyika nibekela ixesha thina sonibethe tu.
Is a person known like in the whole South Africa or
Yes, ungabisaka kude yes. Ungabisabuza yini.
How? Yebo.
So lo muntu lona yena uyayithanda TikTok mawubheki like TikToker like content creator.
No.
No.
Umuntu wenu DJ.
No.
Nah.
No, angazi ngifuna ngambona efaka into endlebeni. So lo muntu wenu ne guys uyabathanda abantu?
Yes.
Uyabathanda abantu? Okay.
Does the person have
moto?
Obvious. Obvious. Is that person on TikTok?
Yes, party.
Not really.
Because uyothathwayo yena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Lo muntu wenu lo. Act.
No.
Hi guys. Aka act akacula hayi utheni lo muntu nje. Unjani manje? Okay. But I think
umuntu wenu ucula R&B.
Umuntu wenu well known.
Yes.
Namasi.
Okay. Does it sing I'm sure to ucula piano.
Yes, and umnyama.
They.
Yeah.
So ucula hip hop.
Nah.
So umuntu wenu ulikomp.
Nah.
Okay.
Umuntu wenu ucula Afro pop.
Nah.
Hayi lutho yini
How?
angazi lokho leyo mpahla ngiyazi. Okay, umuntu wenu ne umuntu wenu ipartner yakhe since email right? It email. So ipartner yakhe well known or ipartner yakhe low key?
No. Low key.
Okay.
Umuntu wenu. Is it Brenda Fassie?
Okay.
On mail ani.
Mail.
No, I like was like uculani qala.
Yeah, shuthi njengoba nathi phela plus basiphe mail shuthi
kodwa asazi ukuthi mfethu ukuthi
wenzani
akaculi
aka-act
aka-act
lempahla enjani kanti mara uyaziwa akusiyi-content creator akusiyi-youtuber. Okay. Into engayibuza nokuze nimthole lo muntu wenu unayo ilabel?
I don't think so. Nailable.
No.
Aye.
Yes. When
Okay.
No, we are saying. Is the person alive or is the person alive?
Hayi yaphila le nkabi.
Hawu insizwa.
Okay.
Hawu insizwa mfethu.
Okay, lo muntu akubuza thina lokumbuze alive lo. Sorry ngomphindele i-question.
Wait. Umuntu wenu ne? Like when what's in
President.
When some jokes.
comedian, stand up
Comedian, yeah, comedian.
No.
Mina akaphili lo muntu lo namanga. Yikho phela lento.
So, umuntu wenu nithe akaliculi lonke ipiano. So, ucula imaskandi perhaps.
How? Calm down.
Papa sent
No lutho.
labanja.
No lutho mama.
Lutho. Uthi nje umntwana.
No, not even. Umuntu wenu ucula.
Oh, mina ngicula. Hey, le mama le.
Nithe uyacula mos. Uyacula, so we have to get to the point ukuthi ucula.
Okay.
So ucula akayiculi imaskandi, akayiculi R&B, akayiculi hip hop.
Acula hip hop. Asibuza.
Ibuzile mama.
Ngibuzile.
Ibuzile something lutho.
That was a question.
Uculile.
That was a question. No, that was a question.
It was a
It
question.
was a question.
So sicela ningasilisi.
Okay, sharp.
So lo muntu wenu aka-act akaculi and ufamous kodwa. And lo muntu akusi president. Aka-act nina uba famous kanjani waziwa kanjani ungafake sicela nisitshele.
Okay, thina siyamazi lo muntu lo.
Yo, niyamazi. Yes.
Like 100%.
Okay.
So, uculile kompo.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yini likompo?
Likompo.
Angibuzi nini? Angithi nina ngibuzi.
Ngitshela mina. Yeah, my man.
Shadesh. Abo shebeshite. It's a maid.
It's
It's a maid. And ucula piano niliko.
Stonebus. Lo muntu wenu nithi samazi thi. And man simazi so lo muntu lo. Akusi ichupa.
No. Okay, imagine.
Ufunda indawo.
Okay.
Ngiyefundile.
Senicabangela usitshelo ukuthi ubani
Like-
wethu or nisacabanga.
Ushabi.
Yeah, I think we 20.
Mm-mm.
Sushel.
I can speak my lord. Can speak one.
Oh wait, Ramaphosa.
Baba benu ngithi kasi president.
You have to
What decided
You have to say,